Welcome to day 21 of Computer Basics. Today we're diving into the world of DNS, a crucial part of how the internet works. In our previous lesson we explored domain names, and now we'll see how DNS makes browsing the web so much easier. Whether you're a beginner or just curious, understanding DNS will help you appreciate how websites connect instantly. Let's start by uncovering what DNS is and why it matters in our daily digital lives. DNS stands for Domain Name System. It's the technology that translates easy-to-remember website names into the numerical IP addresses computers use to communicate. Imagine typing google.com instead of a string of numbers. That's DNS at work. Without DNS, browsing would be much more complicated, requiring us to memorize long sequences of digits for every website we visit. DNS is the invisible helper that keeps the internet user-friendly. DNS is essential for making the internet accessible. It converts domain names into IP addresses, allowing us to use simple names instead of complex numbers. This system makes browsing easy, connects users to the correct websites, and ensures that when you type a web address, you reach the intended destination. DNS is the backbone of online navigation, streamlining the process for everyone. See how DNS works when you visit a website. When you type a domain name like google.com into your browser, your computer sends a request to a DNS server. The DNS server then looks up the IP address associated with that domain name. Once it finds the correct IP address, your browser connects to the server hosting the website and the page loads on your screen. This entire process happens in just seconds, making web browsing seamless. First step in the DNS process begins when you type a website address into your browser. Your browser needs to know where to find the website, so it sends out a request to the DNS system. This request is like asking for directions to a specific location on the internet. The browser relies on DNS to translate the domain name into something computers understand, a unique IP address. Once the browser sends the request, the DNS server takes over. The server's job is to find the IP address that matches the domain name you entered. It searches its database for the correct information, acting like a digital directory. This lookup is fast and efficient, ensuring you don't have to wait long for your website to load. The DNS server is a key player in connecting you to the right place online. After the DNS server finds the correct IP address, your browser uses this information to connect to the web server that hosts the website. This connection is established in the background, allowing your device to communicate directly with the website server. The process is seamless, and you don't need to worry about the technical details. DNS handles it all for you. With the connection established, the website's content begins to load on your screen. Thanks to DNS, this happens almost instantly. The browser receives data from the web server and displays the page you requested. DNS ensures that you reach the correct website every time, making your browsing experience smooth and reliable. Make DNS easier to understand. Think of it like a phone book. When you want to call someone, you look up their name and find their phone number. DNS works the same way. When you enter a website name, DNS finds the corresponding IP address. This analogy helps illustrate how DNS simplifies internet navigation for everyone. Domain names are easy for humans to remember, like google.com or example.org. IP addresses, on the other hand, are strings of numbers that computers use to identify each other. DNS bridges the gap between these two, allowing us to use friendly names while computers handle the technical details. This system keeps the internet accessible for everyone. Imagine having to remember dozens of IP addresses for your favorite websites. DNS eliminates this challenge by converting domain names into IP addresses automatically. This makes browsing easy and efficient, allowing you to focus on the content rather than the technical details. DNS is the unsung hero behind every website visit. DNS ensures that when you type a domain name, you're connected to the correct website. It prevents mistakes and misdirections, guiding users to their intended destinations. This reliability is crucial for both everyday browsing and secure online transactions. DNS is the guardian of accurate connections. DNS also plays a role in internet security. It helps protect users from malicious websites by directing them to safe destinations. Many DNS servers have built-in security features that block harmful sites, keeping your browsing experience secure. DNS is not just about convenience, it's about safety too. One of the remarkable features of DNS is its speed. The entire process from request to website loading happens in seconds. DNS servers are optimized for quick lookups, ensuring that users don't experience delays. This efficiency is a key reason why the internet feels fast and responsive. Every time you visit a website, send an email, or stream a video, DNS is working behind the scenes. It's a fundamental part of daily internet use, making digital communication possible. DNS operates silently, but its impact is enormous, connecting people and information worldwide. DNS servers are specialized computers that store domain name and IP address information. When your browser sends a request, these servers quickly find the matching IP address. There are many DNS servers around the world, working together to keep the internet running smoothly. Their collaboration ensures reliability and speed. There are different types of DNS servers, including recursive and authoritative servers. Recursive servers handle user requests and search for the correct IP address, while authoritative servers store the actual domain information. Together, they form a network that keeps the DNS system efficient and reliable. When you enter a domain name, your request travels through several DNS servers. Each server checks its records and passes the request along if it doesn't have the answer. This flow ensures that the correct IP address is found quickly, no matter where you are in the world. DNS uses caching to speed up the process. When a DNS server finds an IP address, it stores the information temporarily. If another user requests the same domain, the server can respond instantly without searching again. Caching improves efficiency and reduces internet traffic. Reliable DNS servers are crucial for website uptime. If DNS fails, users can't access websites even if the sites themselves are online. That's why website owners choose dependable DNS providers to ensure their sites are always reachable. DNS reliability is key to a smooth online experience. DNS enables websites to be accessible from anywhere in the world. Its distributed network of servers ensures that users, no matter their location, can connect to websites quickly. This global reach is fundamental to the internet's power and accessibility. DNS isn't just for websites, it also helps route emails. When you send an email, DNS finds the recipient's mail server, ensuring your message reaches the right inbox. This process is invisible to users but essential for reliable communication. When you stream videos or music, DNS helps connect you to the right servers. It ensures that your device finds the correct address for streaming content, making the experience smooth and uninterrupted. DNS is vital for all forms of online entertainment. Online shopping relies on DNS to connect users to e-commerce websites. When you search for products or make purchases, DNS ensures you reach the correct site securely. This reliability is essential for safe and convenient online transactions. Social media platforms depend on DNS to connect millions of users. When you log in or share content, DNS directs your request to the right server. This process keeps social networks fast and responsive, enabling real-time communication. Mobile devices use DNS just like computers. Whether you're browsing, streaming, or shopping on your phone, DNS ensures you connect to the right websites and services. Its efficiency makes mobile internet fast and reliable. Cloud services like online storage and applications rely on DNS to connect users to resources. DNS directs requests to the correct servers, enabling seamless access to files and tools. Its role is vital in the modern digital workspace. Online gaming platforms use DNS to connect players to game servers. This ensures quick matchmaking and smooth gameplay. DNS is essential for a lag-free and enjoyable gaming experience. Modern workspaces depend on DNS for collaboration and communication. When teams use online tools, DNS connects them to the right platforms. This connectivity is crucial for productivity and teamwork. Smart devices like home assistants and IoT gadgets use DNS to communicate with servers. This allows them to provide information, updates, and services efficiently. DNS is the foundation of smart technology connectivity. When creating a website, DNS is used to link your domain name to your hosting server. This ensures that visitors can find your site easily. DNS is a critical step in launching any online presence. When websites move to new servers, DNS updates ensure users reach the new location. This transition is seamless thanks to DNS, preventing downtime and confusion. DNS keeps migrations smooth and user-friendly. DNS can help protect websites from attacks by filtering harmful requests. Secure DNS servers block malicious traffic, keeping sites safe. This security layer is vital for protecting online assets. Some DNS services offer privacy features, preventing your browsing history from being tracked. This is important for users who value confidentiality online. DNS privacy options help keep your internet activity secure. Users can choose custom DNS servers for faster speeds or extra security. Many internet providers offer default DNS, but alternatives like Google DNS or OpenDNS are available. Customization lets users optimize their browsing experience. If you can't access a website, DNS issues may be the cause. Troubleshooting DNS can resolve connectivity problems, restoring access quickly. Understanding DNS helps users fix common internet issues. As the internet grows, DNS scales to handle more domain names and users. Its flexible design supports expansion, ensuring that new websites and services are accessible. DNS is built for the future of digital communication. DNS follows global standards to ensure compatibility and reliability. These standards allow different devices and networks to communicate smoothly. DNS is a universal system connecting the world online. Emerging technologies like smart cities and autonomous vehicles rely on DNS for connectivity. DNS adapts to new demands, supporting innovation and progress. Its role will continue to grow as technology evolves. Educational platforms use DNS to connect students and teachers to resources. Online learning depends on DNS for reliable access to courses and materials. DNS is a foundation for modern education. Healthcare systems use DNS to connect patients and providers to online services. Secure DNS ensures privacy and reliability, supporting telemedicine and digital health records. DNS is vital for modern healthcare solutions. Businesses rely on DNS for website access, email communication, and online transactions. DNS keeps operations running smoothly, enabling growth and efficiency. Its reliability is essential for business success. Government websites and services use DNS to connect citizens to information and resources. DNS ensures that public services are accessible and secure, supporting digital governance and communication. Today, we explored DNS, the domain name system. We learned how it converts domain names into IP addresses, making browsing easy and connecting users to the correct websites. DNS is the backbone of the internet, ensuring speed, reliability, and security for all online activities. Its role is essential in every aspect of digital life. In our next lesson, we'll explore the operating system, OS, and discover how it manages your computer's resources. Understanding DNS is just the beginning of your journey into computer basics. Stay tuned for more insights as we continue to unravel the mysteries of technology together.